Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen. If possible, can someone please confirm if you're able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the last class, what we discussed is we discussed about pipes. Okay. What exactly a pipe? Pipes is an angular implementation. Means Angular implemented this pipe concept. Completely, it's an angular implementation. And as part of this Angular implementation, it is mainly useful for transforming the data here. By default, pipes are mainly useful for transforming the data here. What is the meaning of transforming? Changing the data on the user interface. Changing the data on the user interface. That is called as a transformation. Changing the data on the user interface, that is called as a transformation. But it will not change the original data. Okay, let me repeat, guys. Pipes is an Angular implementation which only transform the data while displaying onto the browser. But this will not change the original data at all. There are two types of pipes here: default pipe, custom pipe. We have typically default pipe as well as custom pipe. Default pipe are nothing but framework is going to provide, typically framework is going to provide the default pipe. That is, we no need to write any code here. Typically framework is going to take care of that. That is the default pipe here. Custom pipe, as part of our project, as part of our scenario, we need to write our pipe. That is a custom pipe. Okay. So some of the default pipes I explained: uppercase, lowercase, and title case. Converting the given string into uppercase, converting the given string into lowercase, converting the given string into title case. So how to write a pipe here? By default, there is a pipe symbol. This is called as a pipe symbol here, either uppercase or lowercase or a title case. So this is what I discussed in the last class, and today's agenda is we'll go further on other pipes and we'll write custom pipes. So this is what aligned for today's class. Okay. Before I proceed further, as of now, any questions from anyone so far, guys? Okay. Next one is I'm going to have number pipe. So next pipe is typically on a number pipe. Converts the number, given input number, to specific format prescribed below. Whatever the format which is subscribed, it is prescribed below. That is number : X dot Y hyphen Z. X dot Y hyphen Z. Convert the given input number to a specific format prescribed below, which is X dot Y hyphen Z. What is that actually? Is where X is a what is X? Is maximum number of digits. Maximum number of digits before decimal. Before decimal point, how many digits you want? That is X. Y is minimum number of digits after decimal. X is maximum number of digits before decimal. Y is minimum number of digits after decimal. Z is maximum number of digits after decimal. So I'm going to explain this clearly. There is a confusion. While writing the code, I will explain this, guys, so that you will understand clearly. Okay? I'm going to write a code, right? At the time, I'm going to explain this number pipe. If I explain right now, you will confuse that. When we see the code, that time I will explain. But as of now, number pipe is, it has a format of X dot Y hyphen Z. X dot Y hyphen Z. X is the maximum number of digits before decimal. Y is the minimum number of digits after decimal. Z is the maximum number of digits after decimal. Okay, but what exactly minimum number, what exactly maximum number? Okay, that is the number pipe. Next one is right. Next one is currency pipe. We have a currency pipe, guys. It will add, this pipe will add currency symbol. Default symbol is dollar. Default symbol is dollar, guys. If I don't give any symbol, I mean, if I don't write anything, if I type currency, it will display the dollar. Default symbol is dollar. But for example, I'm writing variable underscore 5, or else I'll write 1000 currency, right? 1000, I wrote currency. It will display $1,000. Understand, right, guys? I only wrote currencies or nothing I wrote here. Default symbol of currency is dollar. If I write 1000 currency INR. What is INR? Indian rupee. 100 rupees will come. Rupee symbol, I'll print it actually. 100 rupee symbol will come here. Okay. Rupee symbol I'll write after some time. Okay. Next. Next. It is going to write 1000 currency euro AUR. It will display euro symbol. Maybe what I'll do is maybe I will write the code, guys, right now, because then only I can write over here. Okay. Right. I'll go to the code because I need to display the symbol over here in the running nodes. How can I display here? If I write, then only I can write here. Okay. So let me write here CLS NGGC default pipe. I'm going to create a component, guys. I'm going to create a component over here in the default pipe. Let me remove this guy right here. What I'm going to do is, let me write over here in the default pipe.component.ts. I'm going to write here variable underscore one, which is of type string, is equal to Angular JS. Variable underscore two, which is of type string, React JS. Variable underscore three, which is of type string, Node JS. Uppercase, lowercase, title case. That's sufficient. Next, variable underscore four, which is of number 100.12345, because I need to write a precision and all those things. Variable underscore five, which is of number is equal to 100. Three string to number and variable underscore 6, which is of date is equal to new date. Variable underscore 7, which is of any, is equal to JSON data. Maybe I'll take number is equal to 100. Okay. Now variable underscore 8, which is of any, is equal to Ashok IT. KOHSATI. I want to reverse it. I am reversing it. ASHOK IT. Right. So total 8 variables I declared, sir. And I'm going to write the pipe portion here. Here, H1 default pipe in Angular. Right, sir? Default pipes in Angular, where we are going to have H2 up uppercase pipe. This is the first case, right? Uppercase pipe, which is equal to variable underscore 1. This is what? Where I want to convert into upper, which is equal to uppercase over here, which I'm going to convert into uppercase here. Maybe I'm going to write next lowercase, variable underscore 2, which is a lowercase. Next, title case pipe, variable underscore 3, title case. Now, how to run this code, guys? Can someone tell me, guys? I need a steps. I don't know anything. I'm new to Angular. Now I need to run this default pipe component. How to run this? Where I need to go, sir?
Go to selectors.
You tell me what to do. I don't know anything. Go to selector means I don't know where is the selector. Which file I need to go first? My question is, I want to run default pipe code. How to run? Sir, you people are not practicing. Mr. Praveen, you are there in the class?
Some main.ts.
What I need to go to main.ts section?
There we need to.
Main.ts, what is that action? Nothing is there in main.ts. Main.ts is going to do that, this, right?
Okay. First, we have to go to first component.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Inside first component HTML, we need to put the selector ID of default.
exactly. Praveen, are you not there in the class? Mr. Praveen? Okay, cool. Some
Yes,
people
sir, I'm in the
respond.
class, sir.
I'm asking you, right?
Yes, sir.
Where I need to go? Are you practicing?
No, sir, I had to practice more, sir. I was deviated with other courses. Now I have to back up again.
If you don't practicing, you will never get anything. Okay?
Right,
That
sir,
is
right,
what
sir.
I literally told at the beginning, and now also I'm telling you will never understand. Without practicing, you will never understand anything. And I'm literally telling guys, people who are asking questions to me, they should practice. Then only they can understand. Otherwise, simply asking the questions, there is no use at all. Okay, right. I'm little bit aggressive, guys. Please don't mind. I am telling for yourself, if you don't practice, I have lot of reasons. I am busy with other courses. I am busy with my office life. I am busy with my personal life. I am busy with so and so. If you are so busy, don't join the course. Right? Just for your purpose, I am telling, sir, it really needs 10 to 15 minutes per day. Is that not correct? How much time it needs for to practice, guys? 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. If you are super busy, it's waste of join the class also. I'm not only to Praveen, everyone I'm telling, sir. Okay? Please practice. Without practicing, you will never understand anything. It's a waste to join the course also. You can save this 1 hour. If you really practice, if you really want to learn the course, then practice. What happened to you, Vijay? If you don't practice, what happened to you? If you're having that kind of attitude, I don't have any issues. Just as I'm a faculty, you are my participants, and just like I'm telling my views here. If I don't practice, what happened to you? If you feel like that, I cannot do anything. Okay. My intention was time is valuable and you will only learn right now. After few classes, this is the time to practice. If you are missing here, right? Going forward, lot of things will come and you cannot practice previous things. You cannot practice in upcoming things and you will be very waste of things actually. Okay. I'm telling to everyone, this is a stage where you can practice. Okay. Right, guys. Sorry for wasting 2 minutes of time. So let me go to my first component. Here in the first component, I need to import default component, right guys? First I need to import, right guys? Default pipe. This is what I imported. After that, in first component at HTML, let me key employee data after some time. We'll see employee data after that. And I need to go to selector of app default pipe. App default pipe here. In first component at HTML. That's it, right guys? I went to first component at TS. I imported my pipe, my component. I bootstrap the component. That's it. Now I'm going to run the code here. ng serve. That's it. I'm going to run the code here. There is a mistake in that. Okay. In the default pipe, I need to import common module. Right. I need to import common module because Angular is having common module. That common module has all the definitions here. So localhost colon 4200. You are able to see uppercase pipe AngularJS, lowercase pipe React.js, title case pipe Node.js. What is exactly our variable name, guys, here? I wrote small letters, which is giving capital. I wrote capital letters, which is give small. I wrote normal case, title case. You're able to see that, right, guys? So here it is going to give this one. After that, so far clear, right, guys? I already explained it. Next, number pipe, guys.
Vijay sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Like
Yeah,
sometimes if you saw the above errors, there are no specific kind of error message. So how
It comes with
we are able
experience.
to?
It will come. It's very good question. It's really good question. It comes with experience only. Okay.
Okay.
So by default, how can I say means generally, this is a common error where I don't find the definition. If you see right in the final above error, right? I'll show you. Okay. I don't find no pipe found with title case. This is the thing, right? Title case is not declared by me, right, sir? It is given by the framework only, right?
Yes.
So I'm missing something which is given by the framework. The only one thing is common module. You don't have any other things here as of now. But to straightforward answer, sir, your question is really valid question that comes with practice and experience. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Right here. Now I'm going to focus on number pipe here. H2 number pipe. Here. Variable underscore 4, which is equal to number of, that's what I wrote a code, right? 3 dot 2 hyphen 4 x dot y hyphen z. Number pipe. What is the format here? X dot y hyphen z. What is x, guys, here? Maximum number of digits before decimal. Maximum it should have 3. Before decimal it should have 3. Y is nothing but minimum number of digits after decimal. Minimum it should be there 2. Maximum number of digits after decimal 4 digits. For example, I wrote 100. Sorry, 100.12345, sir. This is 12345. Okay. What I'll do is here, H2 original number variable underscore 4. This is original number. I'm going to apply number pipe here. Now, maximum number of digits before decimal. What I wrote here? 3. Before decimal should be 3 only. That's why 100 dot. This is original number, sir. This is 5. 100 only. There is no change. Minimum number of digits after decimal. 2 digits minimum should be there. Minimum 2 digits. After decimal, this one, right? Maximum is 4, but I have 5. How to ignore the 5th one? We need to round off, right, guys? In mathematics, we studied, right, round off. Everyone remember rounding off? If the last digit is greater than or equal to 5, this will become plus, right? 100 is the maximum number before decimal. 2 digits is the minimum number and 4 digits is the maximum number. For example, the same I will write, sir. Now understanding point here. Same I will write here in a different format. 4 digit is the minimum. 1 digit is the minimum and 2 digit. 4, 1, 2. What happens here? 4 digits I want before decimal. But I don't want to change the value, right? 0, 100. You saw 4 digits before decimal? You saw it, right, guys? Minimum is 1. Maximum is 2. I want only 2 digits. Third digit I want to cut it off. But it's less than or equal to 5, right? So 1, 2. So which is equal to 4.1 hyphen 2. 4.1 hyphen 2. So that's why I told, right? By seeing the code, you will understand here. Make sense, guys, here, everyone? Right. Next one is, yes. Mr. Saurabh, better to ask Saurabh. We cannot see clearly every chat window. What you didn't understand, if you want, I'll repeat. My humble request, everyone, don't type, guys, unless it is required. But don't tell that my headset is not working, my internet is not working, my something is not working. Please, better to speak. It's my request. So let me repeat here. Number format is x dot y hyphen z. X is the maximum number of digits. Maximum how many digits you want before decimal. Y, minimum number of digits. Minimum should be this much. And maximum number of digits. In mathematics, you should know how to round off. Okay. Rounding the decimal number, you need to have an idea. So if the digit is greater than or equal to 5, the before digit will increase. If the less than or equal to 5, we'll keep as it is. That's what we wrote. 100 dot So if you take this one, right? 100. Minimum is 3. So 100 is 3. After that, minimum is 2. Maximum is 4 only. I want to make 5 to 4. That's why 4 will become 5 because the last digit is 5. Rounding out. And 4 dot. Minimum is 4 digits. So I cannot keep one more digit, right? So 0 comma 1. I should not change the value. Dot. 2 digits is a maximum. 1, 2 only. Because 3 is there, right? Less than or equal to 5, right? So that's why it is rounding off. Okay, Saurav, is it clear now? Right. Next. After that, I'm going to write currency pipe here. Variable underscore 5, which is currency. Blindly I wrote currency, guys. What you got, guys? You got dollar symbol, right? Did I write any code to keep the dollar symbol? No, right, guys? Yeah. Next. Same currency symbol. Indian currency. Currency colon INR. This is a predefined keyword, guys. INR is a predefined keyword. Indian rupee. You saw, guys, rupee symbol? You're able to see that? Let me keep in the running notes, guys. That's why I wrote a code here. After that, euro. Euro currency pipe. EUR. Euro. This is euro symbol, guys. Next. After that, 100. GBP. Any idea GBP stands for? Anyone?
Great Britain pound.
Correct. Pound. It's a pound. Full form is Great Britain pound. Just like who has an idea? That it's a general question. Which is this. Oh, I didn't wrote the code here. Pound currency pipe. GBP. Great Britain pound. This is pound. Like lot of country symbols are there, sir. Lot of countries we don't want to do over here. Maximum all country symbols are available. You don't need to install any fonts. You don't need to do it here. By default, this is given. If I don't give any country symbol, default is US. Why US, guys? Why default is US? Any idea?
International currency.
No. This was
As-
created by Angular.
Angular
Who created?
developed by the country.
Correct. Angular is developed by English people. I mean, these US people only, right? That's why nativity, not international symbol, nothing like that. Okay. It's Google. If they keep the default, then only their things will be up. Okay. Right. That's fine. So, I mean, someone is asking question, guys. These are capital, guys. If you write in small, I hope it will not work. Maybe let me cross check. I feel it's capital only, sir. Let me try. As per my knowledge. Yeah, you saw here? It will not work. You should write in capitals only. Right? So this is currency pipe and number pipe, all those things here. Now date pipes, guys, here. Next I'm going to focus on date pipe here. Yes. Date pipe. Maybe avoid, right? Default date, which is equal to variable underscore 6. That's the default date here. This is my default date. Wednesday, September 04, 2024, 8:40:30 GMT, Indian Standard Time. When I say new date, this is a default date, it will come here. Now I can do lot of pipes over here on the same date. Make sense? First one is I can write my own format, guys, here. Date pipe format 1, which is equal to variable underscore 6, which is date colon DD YY. I want only DD YY. Zero 04 09 24. You saw the same format came, right? Yes or no, guys? DD YY. Or else one more format. Date format 2. DD MON YYYY. Oh. DD M. Yeah. Why 4 Ys? Okay.
You define more wise, not four.
Okay. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Good observation. That's what I'm wondering. Somehow my eyes are glittering. Okay. Maybe I lost my sharpness. I don't know. I'm not able to see. Did I write 5 Ys? I don't know. Okay. But really good, ma'am. Thanks for observation. So 4th September 2024. You saw that, right? Next. Apart from that, you can write your own format, or else you don't want date format 3 or date format, short date format. Short date format. Sir, I don't know all those things, sir. I'll say short date. This is a short date, guys. Next, medium date. These are defined by framework, guys. Medium. September 4, 2024, 8:43. This is a medium. Full date. Full date. Wednesday, September 4, 2024. You're able to see that? Why medium date is like that? Okay, I have a space for it. Even space is also giving a lot of meaning here. Short date, medium date, full date of a specific formats. This is with respect to dates here. So far clear on the dates?
Sir,
Right.
these are all depends on system date, right, sir?
Yes, local system date, madam, because it runs on browser, right, madam?
Yes. Sir.
This is running on browser, right, madam?
Yes.
JavaScript date, local timestamp, local date timestamp. Okay.
Yes, sir. And one more thing, sir. In Notepad, I think you have written Indian rupee and that all. I think
Yes.
wrong, sir. Like, yeah. Could you please go ahead? Yeah, here you wrote 10,000 INR, but here you wrote 100 rupees.
Some value, right, madam? It should not match, right? Exactly. I wrote some value here. So you want whatever the value, right, madam? Here. Okay, do you want to 10,000 only in the code? I'll keep 10,000 only. I'll keep 10,000 only.
No, sir, not like that, sir. In Notepad.
Correct. Okay, all are 1,100 like that, right? Okay, that is what you mean to say that? Okay.
Yes. Like when we refer again, if we confuse.
Okay, sure. Let me write what I can write 100 only I can write because I have it's only value, right? Okay.
Sir, actually, the issue is whatever you are writing there, right? So you have given 100 after the currency equal to that greater than symbol. After that, you have wrote
$1,000.
$1,000,
I'm
right?
correcting that. Correcting.
Yeah.
I'm correcting that. That's correcting. Okay. Just like whatever the number is there, it will append that. It will not do anything, but I'm correcting. It's a mistake over here. Okay. And here 1,000 I need to remove. Copy paste mistake, madam. That's it. Okay. I will correct it. This is 100.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sometimes it show instead of symbol of currency, someone can type RS or it will automatically comes under the currency, right?
It should be whatever Angler is telling, right, sir? It has some predefined countries list.
Okay.
Whatever the string you write, it should be having that line in that list actually.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Ma'am, is that clear? Someone who asked that, right? Yeah. Now, next one is, this is what format? JSON, right? Variable underscore 7 is a JSON, right? If I display JSON data, variable underscore 7. Okay. Will it print JSON data, guys? Object, it is printing, sir. You saw that, right, guys? JSON is an object internally. It is printing object. If I want to display in a JSON format, you have a JSON pipe guys here, which is pipe JSON. You saw, now you got the value, right? JSON data num is equal to 100. So this is the next pipe, which I'm going to write. Just for displaying this currency, I executed the code because I want to copy these currencies, right? While referring that, right? So sixth one, JSON pipe. If you want to display JSON data, we can use JSON pipe. Variable underscore 9, which is of JSON, where variable underscore 9, which is of type any, is equal to num10, something like this. This is JSON format. Clear JSON format? Next, last but not least, reverse pipe is there. We have a reverse pipe, guys. It's given, default given is reverse pipe. The name itself is indicating what is reverse pipe.
It reverses the string.
It will reverse the string, input string. What's the use, sir? Do you have any real use? In algorithm, some of the algorithm will reverse the string. Some manipulations will. Palindrome string, reverse of the string exactly original. Some things, right? But in real time, I never use, sir. Okay. We don't know the practical use. Just I thought of telling you. Okay, reverse a string, which is reverse pipe. Variable underscore 8 reverse. REVER. Is it removed? REVERSE. One second, guys. Yes, this is removed, I guess. 1 second. Okay, I think they removed, sir. It was there in the old one, but we need to implement this, maybe. It's given, right? I think we need to implement this, guys. Okay, they removed it. Actually, we have actually in old version it worked actually. Variable underscore 8 REVERSE. Okay, fine. I think we need to write a code over here, but I'll write here. I'll write that, not now. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to write that particular code over on the reverse pipe here. Okay. So these are the different pipes here. What I'm going to do is, let me write, and we want to create our own pipe guys here. So these are the default pipes given by the framework guys. Okay. These are the default pipes given by the framework. And there are a lot of pipes out there, but these are useful here. That's the default pipes. Do we really need to write custom pipe guys? Do we really need to write custom pipe, our own pipe? Yes, we need to write based on my requirement. So what is the use of custom pipe, sir? What's the use of custom pipe?
We can display the data in our own form.
Correct. But can we use a real time? People will ask you in real time. Yes, sir. Amazon page is there, where some website guys, I forgot that website, IGP or some this birthday gift or some, I forgot that actually. They have a implementation. If you want the price in the dollars or if you want the price in the rupees, you can do that actually. You can change the currency. Sir, I have 100 products, 100 product pages. I have 100 products in the 100 products are there in the page. At one place I want to change. Now the currency is Euro or Indian rupee. If one place I can change, it will impact everywhere. Correct, right? Pipe will be used, right? And I have a common code across the system. I want to display a common code across the system. So there will be useful. Okay. Custom pipes, I'm going to write the code here. I will explain with the custom pipe so that you can write your own logic over here. I'm going to write the custom pipe. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to write the custom pipe. And what I'll do, I'll write the reverse pipe. I'm going to write reverse pipe. After that, I'll come back to my employee details, right, sir? Whatever the previous code, employee details. I'll write the two pipes, gender pipe, title pipe, age pipe, where calculate the age, that's one pipe, Mr. and Mrs. I told write two scenarios. So those two pipes I'll write so that you will have an idea in the custom pipes. Okay? Right here. Let me share the code over here, guys, as of now. Let me share the code over here. Okay, I need to log off and log in. Do I need to log off every time? Default pipe. Let me write a code over here. Default pipe. Right, sir. We'll see tomorrow. I'm going to write that. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Thank you.